Hi YouTube, Engineer Boy 100. In this video, we will demonstrate how to remove and install the cup holder faceplate in the Porsche 996 Turbo. The first thing you want to do when going to remove the faceplate is open the cup holder fully. Then, using a flathead screwdriver, you want to wiggle the screwdriver in as close to the vent as possible and rotate it counterclockwise. Once you get it down, rotate the screwdriver until the faceplate pops out. Then push the faceplate towards the cup's symbol to slide it and then pull it off. Looking at the back of the faceplate, there are two hooks. There's a two-sided hook here, and there's a single-sided hook here. You want to put the two-sided hook in first, and that's what we'll be doing next. When the faceplate is installed, this is the orientation on a left-hand drive vehicle. On a right-hand side vehicle, the cups are on the left side. On a left-hand side drive vehicle, the cups are on the right side. This is the orientation and configuration of the hooks on the back. The two-sided hook is directly behind the cups. This is the hook you want to install first, and it goes in this opening here. We put it in this opening, then we slide it in without putting the single-sided hook in, and then once everything is lined up, we will take the two-sided hook and push it in to this slot, also lining up the gears. There's a larger gear, and in some cases just two gears together, that go into this opening here. To install the faceplate, we will take the two-sided hook first, place it in this opening, then we will slide it in towards the car until it just touches. Then we will gently massage and push. Once the single-sided hook snaps into place, the gears are aligned, gently close the cup holder, and your faceplate is installed.